Hi, it's Conrad here again, and I just want to quickly do a demonstration for you. I logged into my AutoPinger back office, and we'll just quickly set up a campaign here. And the idea behind this video is I want to show you how you can use my Empire Marketing Services and plug it into your campaigns here. The reason I want to do this is because I've seen a lot of you have been taking advantage of the services that we offer here at Empire Marketing, which is great, but I just want to make sure all of you get the most out of the service as well as the script here and this AutoPinger. So I just want to quickly walk through it and show you how I would set up a campaign. So first thing first, we'll set up, type in a name here. It's going to be for My Great Empire. And then for keywords, what I do, let's say I want to target, I'm just here using the Google tool, keyword tool. If you don't know where to find it, just go to Google, type in Google keyword tool, and you will get this here. So just type in how to make money online. There we go. Those are the keywords that is the keyword that I'm going after for My Great Empire. And here, I'll just quickly type this in. And now it's doing a search here. So what I'll do, I'll just select, organize them in that order. Let's see here. Okay, there's only 64 here. So what I'll just do, I'll just quickly make it 100 here, and then I will scroll back up. Let's export these keywords. And just to quickly show you here, it gives me variations for my keyword, and like my keyword being how to make money online, and it shows you different extensions, just variations of the exact same keyword. So which is good, which is exactly what I want. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly open this up here, my keywords. Just give it a second to load, and then for here, we'll just separate it by tab, and it'll open up in spreadsheet. So what we'll do, we'll select all the keywords, we will copy them. We can close this now. We'll copy them. We can close this here as well, and then we'll just quickly go back to the ping script here, and then we will paste in the keywords. You can drag this out a bit just to see how all the keywords got pasted in there. Okay, so that's all in there, it's all done. And then let's see down here, most of my traffic comes to my main page, the index page. So instead of having self-ping, we'll have custom pinging, because that way it allows me to ping every page equally. And to do that, I have on my blog, I have installed the let me see, what is it called again, the XML sitemap, and it's a plugin that I installed, and it gives me a page like this one where I can find every single URL in and on that blog. Yeah, just go to Google plugins and install it. Let me just quickly show you how I do that here as well. Okay, I'm just quickly log into my WordPress. Okay, my WordPress blog here. So I'm logged in, and now I'll scroll down. Oops. Let me just scroll down here, click on plugins, and it shows you all the different plugins that I have. And then what I'll do, I'll just click on add new one. Oh, it's loading slow, there we go. And then just type in XML sitemap. Hit search, and here we go. And I believe it's the Google one here, so this one right here. And what I already have it installed, but in your case, just install it, and then it will give you the sitemap page that I'm talking about. Anyway, so what I'll do here, I'll just copy all of these URLs. Just scroll all the way to the bottom, select them all. Let's copy them. Copy. Okay, and then now that we have it all copied, we'll just paste it into Excel again. Oops, what am I doing? There we go. Ooh, I did something wrong. Just click copy there. And then we'll paste it in here. There we go. That's exactly what we want. And now we'll select just the URLs. Okay, let's scroll all the way to the bottom here. Select them, and we'll copy it one more time. Let's close this down. We don't need to save it. And now let's go back here. Let's enter them into the custom pinging box here. And when you drag it out, you can see every page is in here. So this is every single page from my blog that is on my blog. So it's pages, posts, everything. This is pretty cool. So this allows me to ping evenly across all of my pages. Super powerful, very good, very cool. And now for the RSS feature here, this is where the SEO service that I was talking about earlier, this is where this comes in. With every campaign that we do here, you are given an RSS feed, and then all you would do is just copy the RSS feed that we give you. You paste it in here. You can paste your own from your own site RSS feed in here, but just remember that it will get pinged a lot. With every ping that happens, that RSS feed will get pinged, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but the more you can drive pings through your backlinks, the better. So if you did purchase, or if you are going to purchase one of our services here, especially the 25 backlinks a day services, just log into your members area and then select the 25 backlinks a day, and then here is where all your campaigns are listed. So what we'll do, we'll select the one that we had for this site here. As you can see, these are different keywords that I am going after, and then let's just see here. Here's the RSS feed that it is giving us. We'll just right click on it, copy link address. Now we'll go back to our pinging script. We'll just paste that link address in there. Okay, and now here's where we can also paste the backlinks. If you don't already have a list of your backlinks, you can again just come back into the back office of this service here and just click on this little notepad icon here. Just give it a second. So here we go. We'll just, what we do, we'll just, oops, doesn't look like I have the select all feature. We'll just do it that way and select at the bottom here. And now let's go back in here and let's paste all of those backlinks in here. In this particular case, the site has been in that system for quite a while, so there's quite a few backlinks. I think about 11,000 backlinks for the site. But generally, on a general basis, with this service here, you get about 25 to 50 confirmed backlinks every single day. So you'll never ever appear spammy to the search engines, and you'll continually build your backlinks every day. And again, the prices are very, very affordable. It certainly beats building all those backlinks manually by yourself. So anyways, let's go back here. So we got the keywords all set up, and we got the custom pinging, we got our site pages, URLs, and we have the RSS feed where all these backlinks are randomly rotating in, and then we have all the backlinks in here as well. And referring sites to ignore, we'll just skip that. IP address to ignore, we'll just skip that, and then we'll just click create. And by the way, just for the record, all those links are in here as well at the bottom. Okay, here we go. So let me just quickly scroll down one more time here. Like the 25 plus backlinks a day service. This is the one I'd recommend the most, and it's the first one here where everything is done for you. Okay. So now that we have this campaign set up, all we have to do now, select all, and I will copy it, and let's go back to our blog, which was right here, and we'll go to appearance. We'll click on appearance, and okay, where are we here? Appearance, click on editor, and let's go to the footer. Let's click on the footer here. And as you can see, this is a demo campaign that I pasted in here yesterday. I'll just delete that, and we'll just paste this new code in there. So this is going to be the new code. This is what's going to call everything into action. So let's just click update, and there we have it. What we will do now, I'll just quickly demonstrate how this works. So generally speaking, let's just go to Ping-O-Matic, because everything is done through Ping-O-Matic. As you can see, this is from an installation that I did yesterday, but let's just open up my Great Empire. We'll just pause that video there. So what happened when we landed on this page, it sent a submission through Ping-O-Matic from my IP address, and this will happen every time a unique visitor lands on your page. So if I were to refresh this page now, it would not ping it, simply not to, so that the search engines don't get spammed from pings from the same IP address. Does that make sense? So just to demonstrate what happened here, we'll just quickly go to this page here and just take a look at these links, this keyword. I'll hit refresh. As you can see, it still remembers the last ping that was sent through when I landed on this page, when I called up this page. Let's just quickly refresh this page. And just to show you, let's refresh this one here too. It did not change anything here. So it only pings once every 24 hours when a visitor lands on that page. So per IP address. So you can have 100 visitors come to this page. As long as they're unique visitors, if they haven't been on the page 24 hours prior, it will call the ping into action. This is crazy powerful stuff that is happening here. So let's go back to our campaign here, and let's see here. Let's click on View Campaign, and let's assume that's the first one there. Yeah, I believe it is. Yeah, this is the first campaign that got created. You can go back, you can edit it, you can delete it, you can pause it. You can always come back and get the code. Just for the record, you can always come back, you can edit the campaign, you can update it, but you do not need to replace the code on your site where you pasted it into. The code automatically, it's always up to date as long as the campaign is active. Okay, and then I can look at the stats. Just quickly click on that, and it'll show you the different URLs, different keywords, everything that was pinged as a result of me landing on that page. So 2 pings took place. Okay, and let's just, no, actually it looks like somebody else was on that page too, so that's cool. Let's just click back here. It's weird, I think it's a rather long feed that it put in there, but anyways. Now what happens here, it gives you a feed as well. From the campaign we just created, we get a feed, and as you can tell, it randomly pulls a keyword and random text with your backlinks, your pages, and randomly puts together this RSS feed. Now what I do here is I take this feed, I go to Feed Burner,